In 1978, protests began in Silent Valley, a tropical evergreen forest in Palakkad district, Kerala. The Kerala Sastra Sahitya Parishad (KSSP), an NGO, and poet activist Sugatha Kumari played a key role in leading the Silent Valley movement. The aim of the protest was to save the Silent Valley forest from being destroyed by a hydroelectric project. The Kerala State Electricity Board wanted to build a hydroelectric dam on the Kunthi Puja River in Silent Valley. In 1973, the Planning Commission approved the project, which would cost about Rs 25 crores. But people were worried because the dam would flood 8.3 km square of untouched forest. Many NGOs protested and asked the government to stop the plan. In January 1981, due to strong public pressure, Indira Gandhi said Silent Valley should be saved. In 1983, the government reviewed the project again with a team led by Professor M.G.K. Menon. Later that year, the hydroelectric project was cancelled. Finally, in 1985, Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi officially opened Silent Valley National Park.